Back with another banger video, and today we're gonna be playing. I mean, now we're not playing. You see at the right top corner, we have 400k coins, and we're finna do a pack opening. Hopefully, you get something good, bro. We got my brother right beside me playing 2k, but hopefully, you get something good. All right, first pack we gonna get. What are we gonna get? Let's see. Trash, bro. Trash. Bro, I don't know. I just got rich off this game. Nah, I'm just joking. I trade full. It was like I gave him. He gave me I gave him the full sleeve, and he gave me some coins from the marketplace. I didn't know if someone was gonna buy it, but he bought it. But we got here green camo. I actually rocked that. That look hard. Camo green. I mean, that look hard, bro. I rocked that. Cause like most of the camos are really good in this game, but we gonna get some more packs in. XR, bro, this is all cheeks.
Bro, these packs be a scam. I only got one. I got a YouTube from that pack though.
I know you got freaking Dripping Masters. I don't even know how you pulled that.
Dripping Masters.
Bro, I pulled so many packs and I'm still not getting none. Nothing, bro. Nothing. Trash. I don't even want to do this video, bro. I could have been trading this or something, doing something with this, but I'm spending it on Doodle Cheeks packs. But we gonna trade. Bro, but I'm gonna do it for packs. Cause I just like seeing back over. Come on. Camo green. Oh no. Come on, bro. The bags are selling me, bro. Like, look at these trash Doodle Cheeks bags, bro. I should actually get something good. Give me something good.
Get off my.
Oh my god, look at this. Wait, am I clicking the right one? Am I clicking on pro packs? Cause I do not know. I just burped. But I do not know, cause oh yeah, this is all pro pack. And I see no Yutos, no elites, no nothing. I haven't got an elite. Oh, this pro pack. Big hair. Oh my god, this is cheeks. Come on. Give me something good. At least a Yuto. I'm gonna pull Lucifer. I don't even know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna pull Lucifer. Alright.
You gotta ask for clickbait.
For real. I'm gonna have to put clickbait. I pulled the ultimate. Everybody's gonna watch it until the end. So if you're seeing this part right now, well, oh shoot, I could spin on the holiday. I could spin on the holiday time packs too, cause I'm gonna try a couple of those in them, cause I know those. I think those. Oh, Jordans go hard, but I'll be back 20. I'm only gonna buy it for you cause it's 20. Probably gonna this map probably win, cause they give you no limited times. Give me ultimate. Those used to be elites until they dropped down. I'm gonna do this one more time. Holiday bag. Come on. Oh my god. I'm finna just go with sets. Like, and trade them gold cleats for better elite cleats. Come on, please. Can I pull something? Oh my god.
What you pull?
Those are dookie.
What, elite?
No. I'm finna hop off the game, bro. Why am I spending my money on this?
Bro, you know you could have bought something for the market.
For real, I could have bought a whole bunch of stuff that's selling like elites. I could just get things. Oh my god. The white neons go hard. Oh my god, they go clean. They are clean. Bro, the white neons go hard. But we're gonna keep on ending some more packs. Still got 200K left. I already did what you call, I already opened a champions pack off camera, and yeah, I got a good item. It's alright. He was like remastered. It's like a YouTube dance move. Hold on, let me share. Let me go on the sheet. Hold on, I'll go and see after this. Please. Okay, we getting out of here. Okay, that's kind of a good sign. That's a good sign. But we getting out of here. What are we getting out of here? Oh no, that's a bad sign. Oh my god, come on. But exactly what I said. Oh, what the heck?
Why would I pass that?
Where's the what you call? No, wait. I want anime. I should go on the animations. This the end. Oh, I got the best animation in the game. Dang, I got the Ray Lewis remastered. That's the animation I got. I got the Ray Lewis remastered. 7 mil? That junk is 7 mil? Bro, I did not know that. I sold that for like, what you call, bankroll sleeve. Dang, I got scammed. That's tough. Hey, yo, Joy. I don't even know if I can hear that scream, but my sister's gold. I got all gold. I got all gold. I never seen that in a pack before. That's my first time. We got 190K. Spending, we're spending. We are spending. Coins, tropical, yeah, nobody wants that. Nobody wants this junk. How many minutes are we in the video? We're in 7 minutes already. I remember finish this like 3 minutes. Oh. Come on. Y'all are cheeks. Stop selling me with these packs. Oh man, I do. What did I do to you to deserve this? Oh my god. Dude, it says 1 guaranteed elite, 6% elite, and 0.5% ultimate. How do you even pull a YouTube in this pack? I don't understand. I'm gonna go slowly on this pack. I'm going slowly. Alright, because I think this is a God's pack. Yeah, this is a God. Alright, that's kind of alright sign. Those go. That's heat right there. I like that detail right there. That's heat. Alright, that's not a good sign. Alright, that's not a good sign. Come on, please. YouTube. No. YouTube. Oh my god, you're selling me, bro. These packs are cheeks. FBU, upgrade your packs. Cobblers, yeah, that's all I'm getting. Golds. I'm trying to speed through this. Come on, open. Hearts Mountain tattoo, that's a nice tattoo. Not even cap. There you go, bro.
Bro, why am I so 50 today? Like, yesterday I was doing good.
We finna hit 100K. We're finna hit 100K. Come on, no, bro. Please, FBU, stop selling me. Come on. Bro, elbow sleeve. You actually gave me an elbow sleeve. Nobody want no elbow sleeve. I did not just trade my full sleeve for these trash elites. I mean, trash golds. Oh my god, look at that. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that, bro. Who in the comments want this, bro? Bro, I'll give you all this stuff, bro. Comment if you want to write them, bro. Hey, I did this pack, what you seen, bro, if you watched the full video. And some of y'all not subscribing, hit that subscribe. That's alright. It's like 100K. But what are you watching?
If I see one more motherfucker with walking in their name, I'm going to fucking kill
Oh
myself.
my
Stop
god.
informers and user, you stupid bum ass bitch.
Oh my god.
The chicken McGriddle.
All pro packs are scams. They're scams. Don't waste your coins on this.
If I see one
Don't waste your coins on this. Don't waste your coins on this, bro. Yeah, I'm afraid. Please God. This is the best pack of all time. It'll give me a YouTube. Yes, it will give me a YouTube. Amen. Alright, come on. Oh my god, we started off to the best start. Oh my god, every day is madness. No, this is not a YouTube. This is not a YouTube. Exactly what I told you. Oh, bronzes? This is what y'all give me? Bro, nobody wants this. Oh, tell me who wants this, bro. But at least I'm gonna get all of these insets. Get them for better items.
What you get?
I got nothing. All I got is gold.
You're down to like you still.
Oh my god, this is my last. This probably is my last pack. I'm second to last pack. Let's see how we gonna do.
Oh, you got floss. Give me
finally! I get a lead. No, you're not getting floss, bro. No. Finally, bro, I get a lead, bro. And that's the trashiest elite. That's like, oh, nobody wants no floss dance.
No, what you get a YouTube?
Bro, nobody wants no floss dance. Give me a YouTube, please. This is the last pack. This is the last pack. We open this slowly. YouTube. Wait, where are you gonna go for here? I think that's the goal. Yes, the already gold. YouTube. Oh my god. YouTube, come here. YouTube. Oh my god. YouTube. Give me that. Oh my god, bro. 400K coins on. Wait. Please, can we get a freaking ultimate in this pack? Can we get it? Oh my god, can we get something good though? Please. Okay, we actually got something better than almost all my items, but we finna cap this video off. So you already know. I'm out. Peace.